This video will show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a Mitsubishi Lancer with a 2.4-liter engine. This will be located along the backside of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the vehicle. Along the passenger side, we can see where our axle connects into our transmission. We want to make our way just above this, along the backside of the engine. Now as I make my way up and above this axle, I can see the wiring harness for my crankshaft position sensor. We can see that it has a shiny insulator around it. We have to dislodge the insulator so we can make our way to the electrical connector. Typically for this, I just pull it out of the way. Let's be careful because we do want to try to reuse this. Now we can see the locking tab along the side here. We're going to press this in and dislodge the electrical connector. Once we do have it dislodged, a quick inspection for corrosion and we'll set that aside. There we are. Now continuing on, we can see the mounting hardware for our crankshaft position sensor. We're only using a 10mm socket. Now that we have the hardware out of there, let's go ahead and take hold of the crankshaft position sensor. We're going to give it a slight wiggle, twisting, and pull it out of place. Be careful not to break it off in the engine. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, we always need to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surface. In this instance, we're only using a clean rag. We are not using any type of detergent which might make its way into the engine. Clean this up as well as possible. Now it's time for installation of our brand new crankshaft position sensor. As we bring this into position, let's make sure that we also align our mounting bolt port. We're going to press this straight forward towards the engine until it's bottomed out. Listen for an audible click. Now I have my mounting bolt on a 10mm socket. That'll help me get this in place. Okay, we've got that started in. Let's go ahead and snug it up, and then I'm going to torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Continue on to your electrical connector next. Press it in, listen for a click, protect the area with the insulator. Now as far as the insulator is concerned, I typically like to try to wrap it around the connector prior to sliding it into place on the crankshaft position sensor. It just goes right over the top there. Now we'll align the locking tab and press it in. We're listening for that click. Let's just double check to make sure that's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our crankshaft position sensor. The next thing you want to do is make your way out from under the vehicle. You're going to hop in the passenger compartment and attempt to start the vehicle several times. It should start as it needs to. Aside from that, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.